the community here in Santa Fe and way that we can ensure that our circus continues to thrive and join the community. Please make sure you guys check these individuals out again. All right, you guys. So if all of us were to at least, be sure to donate $10. Think about what we could do for their organization and for the kids. Digging a little bit over, generations that are really being helped by them, and it's really. So that we can have a better future for everyone. I want to really have joined forces to be able.
It might be, I know it's not Chunkla.
Audience is spellbound and hopeful. Elena's rich voice out of Etta James, and Tosh has been said to echo Melissa Etheridge. Thank you, because you've made it so much easier for me to be out. You've made it so much easier for me to be the human being and the person that I am, right? So, it's in that type of a, and not just about their organization and the passions that they have, which is they stay in the background, right? But today, for all of the queer individuals and who are quote unquote old and round song and listening impact, 2019 Corona Memorial Fund Artist Offerings, 2017 Indigenous Music Award nominee. Elena brings her Maori and Samoan ancestors from New Zealand in new endowment for the arts. Santa Fe Community Foundation, the Native American Advised Fund, Northern Rio Grande National Heritage Area, West Ave, and New Mexico Churro are all organizations and entities that support Indigenous Ways. The U.S. Eagle Foundation, Santa Fe